Robert, there's something I want to share with you when the time is right.
So the time not right now, Terry. The right here, so I can deal with it.
No, today's so romantic right now, and I don't want to ruin it. So let it wait for another time. But we really need to talk.
Well, if you say so.
Hello? Yeah, I will be over there soon. Alright, bye.
Everything alright?
Yeah, everything is alright.
Terry, that not look like everything alright.
Robert, everything is alright. As a matter of fact, I have somewhere that I need to go right now. And I will be home later. Alright? So later.
I have something I need to take care of.
Okay.
Let's do it here.
Alright.
We meet them.
Okay.
So which part of the rest are now, Butcher?
Yo, you know what's the over my first lady I go talking right now. You see me?
So you move out the whole equipment them and them thing they do.
Nah, take my check pick maker. You see me?
That makes sense.
Brother, I feel like say I top a ranking, you know. I try to press the button.
Brother, right now I'm not too care, you know. Cause I'm not depend with them depend I see it.
Yo, if the man them can go for your head, brother. I will safe. You gonna be no safe, you know, brother.
Yo, I'm not just on my head, brother. Man, then go for king. If a man can go for king, you must know say no normal man do that. Because any man can get to a king.
Boy, just as a piece about to jump off in our community. At this thorough. Huh? Right now the youth them now gonna take this in a brother, so I feel like war out for going right now.
See, bro. That's why I tell you say, yo, I march out like this soldier in the back. You hear that? Cut me a cut, brother. You see me? Right now I sit in with my youth. I don't see what I go on already. You see me? She take on to man, see him way. That carry me at that. You see me?
Brother, I'm tell you this, dog. So the whole of them left the community. I'm to the good soul them there. People now want to stay again. You see me idea? I remember King did say, if you really want peace, you have to be willing to fight for. Or even die for.
Yo, you have to pray this, you know. Remember, so we're not on a youth right now, but are willing to take on back the thing. So right now, if we die, brother, we are dying in vain. We have to groom some youth, brother. You get to me?
That's why I tell you, say, bro, it makes sense. We march out of a place and go build with thing and forward back. You get to me? I say, but this is not make no sense right now, brother.
Right, that's what I do.
You see me?
For this, man, I tell you this, brother. The honest truth. We live in the great rule of hell and get provoked at times. You see me? So I tell you this, brother. Anything or anything. We don't left boy.
Well, bro, I wish you all the best, you know. But I can't pray, so. You hear that? Right now, I pray if you go make some hit song and all a hit song too. You see, pray. So, brother, right now, I have to do what I have to do, Stone. So, you must know how it come down.
Yo, that's true, you know. Carry that actually ready. Yo, Stone. The community need to cheer with you. Especially you, you know, bro. But feel like if you talk out, you get to me and say, come back in. Rebuild and come in back, bro. Even the great son so say, you have to know when to fear the enemy.
Stone. So, I go on with Dennis. You don't feel like you can go tuck in with her a little bit, bro? When last year for now?